Welcome back to the Safety4Data user tutorial series. You are one step closer to sending files to clients, colleagues, and friends using our best-in-class encryption technology. For this next tutorial, we'll be using the application, so you will need to have installed Safety4Data on your computer. When you're ready, let's open the app. We'll log in here as Katie. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main data transfer screen, where users initiate both the sending and receiving of files, as well as set up how those files are managed. Let's click Settings. This takes you to the Basic Settings section, where Katie can change the location of her upload and download folders. Here, Katie can also set the application to automatically send and receive files for her by clicking Sending and Downloading Messages in Background. Let's set this to check every half hour. And don't worry, if something is urgent, Katie can simply click Send on the main screen to upload files immediately. Under Advanced Settings, Katie can customize how she archives her uploads, as well as how she receives and logs her file transfers. For more information on each of these settings, please visit our FAQ. Let's save these changes by clicking OK. Now, to understand these settings and send Katie's first files, let's look at the Safety4Data file on her computer. On your C drive, you'll find a folder called S4D. In it will be files titled Download, Upload, and Archive, each with subfolders for each of the users you are connected with. For files that have been sent to you, you'll find those in the Download file. I sent Katie a photo a bit earlier that she can now drag and drop to her computer. And when Katie wants to send files to others, she will simply drag those items into the appropriate user folder. You can see that Katie has some files prepared for our colleague Sophie and our client Gary. She'll just drag those into their individual folders, and that's it. To finish up, let's go back to the application. Let's have Katie click Send so that she can get those files to Sophie and Gary immediately. But remember, if Katie is in no rush, she can set up the application to transfer those files for her every 30 minutes. The only requirement is that the application is running in the background. And last, if Katie wants to monitor her file transfers, she can click Logs and review the appropriate file. Now Katie is ready to use Safety4Data, and you are too. She sent and received files and can set up the application to suit her needs. In the next tutorial, we'll customize the encryption settings.